RVSN stock analysis and price predictions from Monday is a Rail Vision stock of buying. I'll be breaking all this down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. Ultimately, looking at RVSN, this is where we're sitting at. Honestly, it's sort of going down. This doesn't look that good to me, like, to be very honest with you. Like, if I zoom out, the bearish market is still coming from this supply zone. I'm still going to be sticking to my edge that I've refined over 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. So how this would look like for me is if the price pumps up a bit here and gives me a double break, then and only then I will look to take it further down. But like randomly selling is just not going to be happening. So that's how RVSN is looking like. All I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. Really nothing else that I'll be adding there. If you want also free stock picks, click the first link below. It's free.